Meaning of filtration.
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 Filtration. Filtration refers to the process of separating solid particles from liquid or gas by passing them through a porous material, such as filter paper or mesh. The material acts as a barrier, trapping larger particles and allowing smaller ones to pass through. Filtration is commonly used in industries such as food and beverage production, pharmaceuticals, and water treatment. The result of filtration is a cleaner liquid or gas, with the removed particles often being collected in the filter and disposed of properly. Overall, filtration plays an important role in maintaining safety and quality in various applications.